my head out the sunroof. I'm blasting our favorite tunes. I only got one thing on my mind.
Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. Very happy you're here. Today it's Tuesday, January 11, and this week is finals week at my school. So basically how my school schedule works is Monday and Tuesday is regular classes, and then Wednesday, Thursday, Friday is when I have all of my blocked finals. So I don't have to go to school unless I have a final at that specific time. I thought it could be kind of entertaining, just me vlogging my finals week, all of the studying, crying, struggling, everything that goes into studying for finals my junior year. So it's currently 3:48. I just got back from school and we're gonna start studying, but before that I kind of want a snack, so let's go do that. 10 out of 10. There's something about after school snacks that just, I don't know, literally one of my favorite things in the entire world. So here's the plan. My first final tomorrow at 8:45 a.m. is chemistry, and chemistry is also one of my hardest subjects, so I really need to study that. One thing that is really nice of my teacher is he's giving us like 2 index cards that we can put with equations, only math equations or like equations of the scientific thing. Very happy we get this index card. You can't put whatever you want on it, so that's a little unfortunate, but you know what, it's better than nothing. I'm gonna stop rambling, but basically the first thing I'm gonna do is fill out these index cards.
Didn't think you'd say hi to me, let alone walk by me, even though I know I deserve the best. And just look at you, you make me blush, and I put up my wall so my heart won't get crushed. Cause when you're looking in my eyes, it's like I'm walking on thin ice. And if you can't tell, I'm not acquainted with.
Okay, here's my finished note card. We have quantum numbers, light equations, the metric system, and then on the back we have like this cute little cheat sheet diagram that helps me get from like particles to mass and vice versa. I don't even know, but it'll be really helpful, so happy to have that done. Okay, so I also took the time to like write a to-do list of like things I need to study for the final. As you can see, we have a lot to do. Did I just spend the past like 20 to 30 minutes watching Marvel interview compilations? You know what, it's fine. It's only like 8:48. The only thing I have left to do is read the textbook's main points, like the summary they have after each lesson, and then look up scientists, what they do, just review that really quick.
It wasn't long before I knew that I fell for you and you had my heart. As fast as the seasons changed, my heart was stolen. Parts of me that were broken found love, and no amount of distance can.
I just feel like I'm not being productive anymore with my studying. I just like keep getting distracted more and more. So I'm gonna take a break, as in going to sleep for the night, and I'm gonna wake up early and study before I have to go to school tomorrow. I love you all, and I'll talk to you tomorrow. Good night. Good morning everyone. This is the look for taking my finals. Very comfortable. I put my hair up because I just hate having my hair in my face, especially when I'm taking tests. And then I still have to wear my uniform. I'm probably gonna put a jacket over this, but for now this is just my uniform look. How I look is not the priority, at least for today. Okay, I'm running late. I have to go. Bye! Okay, one final done. That was disgusting. That final was literally... How long was it? I feel like it was at least 10 pages. Maybe 7.
Timothy was like 8 pages.
No, it was actually terrible. I think a lot of people didn't actually finish it. Luckily, I finished it. I don't think I failed it. Definitely didn't ace it. It's fine. Anyways, going back home now. So, good news. My pre-calc final just got rescheduled for next week. That's really great because literally everyone in the class was so confused because we hadn't really gotten through the entire material in time to like be ready for the test. And so our teacher felt bad and rescheduled the test. I have no more finals today, so I'm gonna clean my room. Kind of a mess after studying for the past couple days. Oh my goodness.
She's like a shot of espresso.
She's like a shot. Chemistry assignment. Or notes, actually. Chemistry notes. Okay, I'm going to my pre-calc class and she's going to her Algebra 2 final. Cassie and Izzy out. I don't know what that was. I'm back home from school. I finished the pre-calc class. Now I'm just gonna clean my closet because it's kind of a mess, so let's do that.
Picnic with my best friends. We start to plan what we will do. Now life's back in color and everything's feeling brand new. Well, I read that the French always say.
Okay, up next, I'm really excited because I think I'm gonna go on my daily walk. I try to go on a walk every single day just because it's great for my mental health. Just to be able to put everything aside for like 20 minutes and move my body and relax, process emotions, all of that stuff.
My heart, it started racing. The crowd across the way, flat was on your face, and then from the 80s.
Currently trying to study for Spanish 2 final I have tomorrow. I'm a little stressed about it. Basically, the whole test is over preterite verbs and just like all of the different forms, and it's so confusing because sometimes there's a pattern, sometimes there's not. Languages are so crazy. I love language classes, but it's also kind of frustrating sometimes. I just have like so much respect for people that know more than one language. So anyways, I'm just gonna probably be studying until I go to sleep, which should only be in like 30 minutes because I'm kind of tired. Good morning. I look like a wet rat. I just took a shower, so ignore that. But I'm going to my first final at 8:45. It's Spanish 2. You want to see my fit? I'll show you my fit. Here is my fit. Vest, uniform, shirt, Moods Boutique, pants, Brandy Melville. Ooh, and my socks. I don't know where they're from. They're from a small business, but they're super cute.
Ooh, I look good in this lighting.
Look at that. We just finished our Spanish final, and I think it went pretty good. Our teacher was like giving us help. He was like, so, do you have any questions? And he like answered like 5 of the questions on the board.
It was more than 5. It was like 7.
It was really nice.
It was amazing.
We have one last final, and it's American literature, and it's super easy. Open book, open notes, like super easy. So that'll be nice. Anyways, let's go. There we go. You're so cute. Broccoli deserves to be on pizza, so I told him to put extra broccoli on it.
That one's so bad.
Emma in her natural habitat.
I love fish.
Isn't it cute?
They have so many new ones.
I want those. Those are so cute. If I don't get a black cat by the time I'm in my 30s, what's the point?
Life?
What is life? It's 6:33. What's an update? We took a nap. We played Mario Kart. It's really been a grot Tim. So anyways, this is me ending the video because finals week is over. And like, subscribe.
Bye.